Okay, hello viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have a project over here. So this is the mosque, you can see. So let's go to inside the mosque. Okay, this is the Aarid road. It's a end of Riyadh near exit 6. So here you can see the camera. Here one, and then we have other one over there. So let's see the inside mosque. This is the mosque. Okay, nice mosque, beautiful mosque. So we have a system over here in this area, and then also over there, and we have some also over here some cameras. All our dooms is controlling the fully secure for this mosque. Here is the PTZ also. Here is a PTZ. You can see the PTZ camera. So also in the still fixed camera. Okay. Then we have over there. Then you can see the other side also we have a camera. Okay. This is the mosque. You can see the beautiful mosque. Okay. Then I will show you. We have some more cameras over here. So this is the place for the imam. So then we have camera here. Okay, then let's see. We have camera, some camera over here, the PTZ. It's controlling full mosque. So over here also, and then we have the here also one. Okay, here we have 8-port NVR. And this 8-port NVR support through switches 8 cameras, IP camera. All of them are 8 MP with a high resolutions camera. Then let's see our another channels. This is another NVR. This is the second NVR. In second NVR we have 4 cameras. One is with no resources. Anyhow, it's coming. So see the cameras already. Okay, let's see another NVR. So we have here one more NVR. It's controlling four CCTV IP cameras. Let's see, we have one more NVR. Okay, here one more NVR. You can see. Let's see another NVR, the big one. Okay, guys, here the operation center systems. So we will see you. Here is all cameras and our systems over here. Okay, then let's see the here. All this camera over here you can see. Okay guys, okay, see you with the next location, next project. Have a nice day. Bye bye.